restaurants to eat, but I go there to get stuff. I am Bikramjit Ray and I get paid to eat all I want on TV. Food makes my world go round and makes my travel plans too. But food also makes me a very lonely man. So I'm on a journey of change, all to find my perfect match. Because never again do I want a girl to say to me,
शादी एक बहाना है, तुमको तो बस खाना है.
This week I have decided to give in to my urge to snack right before I get introduced to my girl. It's a departure from normal practice, but my taste buds are screaming out for something Italian, round and cheesy. I am getting set for a wedding, not my own, but one in which I will hopefully be connecting with the community who are known for their connections with their home state. You could be mistaken for imagining that this is Kerala, but it's right here in the NCR. I'm trying to get hitched to a girl from the Malayali community this week. And the unique thing about them, wherever they settle, they manage to make it their home. I'm lucky to have been invited to a traditional wedding just like back home. From what I gather, the Malayali wedding ceremony is quite simple. The bride and groom are received separately. They sit in a mandap. The Mangal Sutra is tied around the bride's neck. The garlands are exchanged before gods, and that's pretty much the whole thing in a rough nutshell. While they're getting married, I am getting drenched in this beautiful smell of beans toran. With me is Mohan ji, who is an expert in catering. Mohan ji, आप बताओ शादी का खाना में केरला में क्या क्या होता है?
मतलब मेनली जो है कि अवियल और पायसम सांबार और चावल, बस इतना ही मेन. बाकी सब
अवियल, पायसम, सांबार, चावल are the four main things. Everything
ये मेन थिंग्स चारों
window dressing
ठीक हो गया तो फिर शादी
success
है.
So what are we going to be making now? What are you teaching me to make? Avial. So we're going to make avial, which is an important part of any festive or a holy occasion which is celebrated by the Malayalis. We're going to go and make some avial. We're inside the temple kitchen and there's madness over here because they're preparing for the wedding feast. Sabu here has taken some time out to show us how to make avial. Now, जिस शादी में जो खाना पकती है, उसमें avial बहुत important है.
हाँ जी सर.
Always पकती है.
Always.
So let's begin, sir.
एक सर.
We will begin by lighting the flame.
Coconut oil.
Oil. This is coconut oil we are using. Only in Kerala you use coconut oil for cooking pretty much exclusively. कितना?
बस बहुत है.
The oil is hot, so we're going to start putting in the vegetables. पहले जमीकंद. आधा. This is a quintessential vegetable stew and it's dry. और ये किससे खाते हैं? चावल से.
चावल से भी और रोटी.
You can have it with roti or with chawal. And it's just the whole flavors of all these vegetables. And these are pretty much the vegetables you can use. There's jamikand, there's carrot, there's drumstick, there's chichinga, there is lobia, there is safed pumpkin, this is plantain, potato and beans. These are the 9 vegetables that you use in avial traditionally. Abhi
ये पेटा डालेगा सर.
White peta. Second thing goes in. डालो. और क्या? Next. Carrot. You know, now I know how Sabu put out the girl, you know, with his silence. है ना?
और
Drumstick. This is another typically South Indian vegetable, but it's also used in Bengal, so I know about it.
और potato आधा डाल.
अभी और? Lobia. So it's a quick fire way of putting things in. It's a great piece, but pure vegetarian. शादी में ऑलवेज प्योर वेजिटेरियन खाना होता है।
वेजिटेरियन,
हिंदू वेडिंग एटलीस्ट प्योर वेजिटेरियन।
प्योर वेज।
ओके, प्योर वेजिटेरियन फूड। अभी क्या डालूं?
अभी सर इसमें हमें बीन्स डालना पड़ेगा, चिकन डालना पड़ेगा।
First the beans, then the plantain, and then the last but not least is the chichinga. तो अभी कैसे होते हैं मलयाली लेडीज?
एक तो ये केरला के जो उसका ड्रेस का थोड़ा फर्क है। ये शादी के दिन में वो साड़ियाँ पहनती है, ये गोल्डन ब्राउन का ये बॉर्डर होता है उसमें। एक तो ओणम में
12 साल से खाना पका रहे हो, घर पे कौन खाना पकाता है?
घर में घरवाली पकाती है, मेरा भाई।
उसका अवियल अच्छा है या तुम्हारा अवियल अच्छा है?
उन्हीं का अवियल अच्छा लगता है मेरे को।
कभी नहीं बोलेगा कि मेरा अवियल अच्छा है ना, जिंदा तो रहना है ना।
जिंदा तो रहना है।
अभी इसमें क्या डालूं?
इसमें सर कड़ी पत्ता बोलते हैं, वो कड़ी पत्ता डालते हैं।
कड़ी पत्ता इज गोना गो इन।
फेमस है केरला ये।
लेकिन नॉर्मली कड़ी पत्ता पहले डालते हैं, इसमें अलग बाद में डालते हैं।
इसमें थोड़ा सा पहले डालना पड़ता है, जब तो खुशबू निकलेगा उसका,
अच्छा
फ्लेवर आ जाएगा इसका।
तो द कड़ी पत्ता गोज इन राइट एट द एंड आफ्टर ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स हैव गॉन इन।
नेक्स्ट तो ये नमक, साल्ट
डालो।
डालिए सर।
मैं हाथ से डालता हूँ।
हाथ से डालो। थोड़ा हल्दी डालिए।
ये हाथ से नहीं डालूंगा मैं। कितना?
1 चम्मच पूरा, आधा चम्मच।
एंड हाफ टी स्पून ऑफ
चम्मच
मिर्ची। अभी सब्जी थोड़ा पक गया, अभी इसमें क्या डालना है?
सर इसमें थोड़ा पानी डालना पड़ेगा, वो दम में पक जाएगा ये।
ओके, सो वी गोना पुट वाटर एंड दम में। दम तो अवध का खाना है। कितना?
थोड़ा और डाल दीजिए बस सर।
Now the water is going to make the stew complete. Once the vegetables are cooked, we're going to finish it with nariyal and the mirchi over here and top it with a little bit of coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
We are done. The feast was spectacular and I would have said more if I didn't have my mouth full. This food is a hit with everyone here. And all that effort from that early morning start culminates in this fantastic feast which me and the rest of the guests are going to partake. After that, I'm going to get the strength on the other side of the break when we go ahead and meet the family and of course the girl. On the other side of the break, we get to meet the family and tips on how to dress like a debonair.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.